I'm back in another video, and we're at the Toronto Zoo. There are so many animals to see. I cannot wait. I can't wait for you. I'm so excited for you. I am so excited at you to see you again. But take a look at this carousel. It actually looks so cool, and I can't wait to find some animals to see. But I really want to see some animals. What I want to see. So let's get started. Dammers! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this cage for peafowls! They're so beautiful! Peafowls! Look! There's a peahead too!
Oh, that's the look! There's some pea too. That's the biggest peafowl.
This is like the beautiful peafowls ever! I love it! Take a look at that rhino! This is so cool! He's right now having his lunch. I hope I don't drop my phone in the lake. I don't like that. I don't know if... Never mind. But this rhino is actually awesome. I can hardly see that tiger sleeping, but it's a bit blurry, but you can hardly see it though. It's actually adorable. Sweet dreams, tiger. I'm totally thrilled to see this turtle, but it looks so beautiful. And as you can see over there, sorry, and we can see that cobra that's sleeping. This is so amazing. Look at its black. What is this thing? A newt? A newt, oh, it's a newt. That's a cool looking newt. Yeah, it almost looks like a salamander. Really cool looking python. It's super big. It's the world's biggest snake ever. I've never seen one before. This turtle underwater. This is awesome. I can't. It looks so cool. Oh, and it moves. It can swim. Isn't that cool? See the orangutan. It's in the bucket and it's peeking out at you. It looks amazing. This is the world's largest python ever. Can't you see it? Well, it's really hard to see, just like the tiger, but it's actually cool. As you can see, there's a big view of the tiger here, and it's so adorable. Look at it sleeping. This is so amazing. I can't believe my eyes. Look. I hope you wake up soon. At those big giraffes. I have never seen a giraffe on my YouTube before. Oh, as you can see, there are ceiling fans on the top. But giraffes are amazing. Just look at that. They have a really long neck. And right now they're having their lunch. That's so amazing. The African Rainforest Center, you can see the gaboon. You can see the gaboon pipe, the gibbon viper, and over there you can see the royal python. The crane. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Right now it's eating its seeds. Move on to the. Let's move on. Look at those big turtles. This is so amazing. Look at this largest turtle. Its name's Dottie. It's a soft shell. Yeah, she's a soft shell. She's a soft shell. Yeah. This is so amazing. As you can see as you can see those adorable pygmy hippopotamus. They're so adorable. They're mini hippos. Can't you believe that? They go underwater. See those amazing spoonbills? There's many different ones. There's 2 different. Their beaks are so funny.
Pay for the hippos.
This is the funniest birds ever. Can you actually see what that bird is? He's quite funny, but he can't see us. See this radiated tortoise? They look amazing, and they're so pretty. This is like the best tortoises ever. Take a look at those naked mole rats. And they're fighting over some orange melon. I can't tell, but they look cute and weird. Look at this chameleon. This is like the best thing ever. And it's looking at me. I think it can actually change colors. You can hardly see it. This is like the best chameleon ever. You can see the gorillas over there. This is so amazing. I think they're waving hi to me. Isn't that? That's a crocodile. That is very amazing. Are you a statue or are you alive? I wonder if it's a statue or are you alive? Hello? Are you just a statue?
Oh no, no tapping on the glass.
But this is the best crocodile ever.
I know, he is kind of lovely.
I wonder if it's a statue or a live one.
No, he's seen meerkat.
That's so cool. We never saw meerkats before.
This is porcupines over here.
Well, however, we can't see the porcupines. But we haven't seen meerkats in my channel before.
No?
We found the ring-tailed lemur. There's a big view over here. Isn't that amazing? It was up in the tree. Right now it's sleeping. I hope you wake up soon, lemur. Lemurs are hugging together or snuggling. I think they're dreaming about something. They're having love! Those cute sleeping cheetahs. This is like the best cheetahs ever.
You see them?
They're so cute! Oh, they're awake! Did you dream of something? What did you dream about? Some cute things? Or whatever. Look at those baboons sitting here relaxing.
Yeah, they're chilling out, right?
Yeah, chilling out for the winter. Well, we actually found the lions. We finally found them. Looks like they're kissing each other. Isn't that amazing? It totally loves that. Here we have hyenas, spotted hyenas. They laugh, which is funny. Right now it's peeking out. I think it needs a rest. You could come out later. Well, we're at the penguins of South Africa, but what is this bird I see over there?
They're hiding.
They're practicing their show.
Yeah, one of these things.
For their show. That's so cool. We're now in the Americas, but take a look at this owl. Look at his belly. It's amazing. I can see the bone constrictor. I never seen it before. It's right there sleeping right now. Take a look at those birds. Isn't that amazing? I don't know what their birds are. This is the best thing ever. Those are amazing. Here we got the Jamaican boa. It looks kind of amazing. Right now it's sleeping on a branch. Take a look at those monkeys. This is so amazing. This is like the best part ever. I've never seen monkeys so long before. There's another boa right there. It's a red-tailed. But it's resting too. I hope you wake up, guys. Look at all those frogs. Oh my gosh! The greenest ones too. This is so amazing. And we forgot the axolootls. Look at the black ones. This is so amazing. Those axolotls are cute. There are only black ones here. And we absolutely have otters here. This is amazing. They're so cute. They're so snuggly. They can go in water. We have the Gila monsters that are resting right now. But it looks kind of cute. This is amazing. And here we are here. Oh, it's a grassland woodtail lizard. This is amazing. Over there, you can see circle cactuses. This is amazing. Here you can see the Mississauga rattlesnake. It has a rattle on its tail. And it rattles it, and it gets mad when it looks at you. I think it's resting right now. And I'll tell you, those alligators are crocodiles. I cannot tell. On the sign here that says "Do not throw objects in the pool." Oh yeah, the fast water spout. But it's actually cool looking crocodiles.
Don't touch your ears. Don't
That's a South American giant bird eating tarantula. That's the biggest spider I ever seen. I don't like it! A Chilean rose-haired tarantula. It's a Chilean rose tarantula. That's even cool. That is one giant American alligator I see right there. This is so amazing. Look at that great horned owl. Isn't that cool? I think it sees me. I see you. Do you? That's so cool. What do you think you're doing? Take a look at this polar bear. It looks pretty cool. And look, there's another polar bear too. And there's a Canada geese and there's seagulls. Look at the herring gulls. They're flying around looking for food. Funny seagulls. Silly seagulls. They're flying around. Seagulls fly from the sky. Take a look at this wolf. Isn't that amazing?
Oh yeah. Morning.
Good morning, wolf. Oh, whatever. As you can see, there are caribous.
Coming to say hi. So.
They come out at Christmas, also known as reindeers. This is so cool. Take a look at that.
Hello.
Yeah. Something like that. Take a look at those eagles. They're so fearsome.
Oh.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at, guys? This is so funny. Take a look at those calm jellyfish.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. I love it.
That's what kissed your life.
That's like dreams and dreams and dreams. Super cool. I've never seen a seahorse so long ago. Also, they haven't been on my channel. Look at all those amazing dream seahorses. This is so cool. I love it. Look at this Komodo dragon. Isn't that amazing? This is the best zoo ever. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to see the red pandas next after the Australia. Also the bearded dragon. Take a look at this nice dragon, bearded dragon. And oh, he's looked at me. And I think that's pretty much an aloe vera plant. Aloe vera? I don't know if that's aloe vera. So the fun fact is, aloe vera plant makes you feel better. What fun! And here we have nymphs. They're pretty scary, but do you know sometimes I get bugs in my room, and I don't like that. They have springtails. Only the little ones, but not the big ones. Oh, I guess they do. What the jam is that bird that looks like a flamingo? I don't know what that bird is.
Turtle.
Oh, how cool.
Is that a flamingo? It is. It's another animal.
Oh, there it is.
Look, it's called a fly river turtle. It's big.
Fly river turtle. But that's a weird looking. That's a weird looking bird that looks like a flamingo. That's crazy. It's a red panda that's being upside down. I can hardly see it with my phone, but it looks like there goes her upside down magic. That's so funny. Okay. Oh, there he is. Hi, red panda. Are you doing the upside down magic like Nori did? You're quite funny. Honestly cute. This red panda is resting in a tree. Red pandas climb trees? This is hilarious! Look at those camels. I haven't seen camels on my channel before. Hey, this rhymes. Camel and channel. This is so cool. Take a look at this snow leopard sleeping on the top of the rock. It's a cute looking snow leopard that is sleeping. Shh, I hope you wake up soon. At those wild turds. Aren't they amazing? They're pretty much goat-like, but they sure do go on mountains. Look at this one resting. Yep, it's chilling out. But but I know their voice. But I know there is a voice actor of a goat, voice actor for a goat, and I think it sounds like this. Come on, that's so funny. And you can see here, these are mouflons. They're pretty much big or sheep-like. Or pretty much goat-like. But they're actually awesome. Look at their big horns and their white face. Isn't that awesome? Some of them are eating their lunch. Well, these are pretty amazing. It's bang, but they look amazing. They go meh. Hi, goat. What's up, guys? How are you? This is so amazing. Interesting. Guys and jammers, this was the best zoo ever. But the following areas in this zoo is the kids zoo, the Canadian Domain, and the Canadian Domain, and some others. But I hope you like the zoo. Also, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I hope you like my YouTube. Goodbye, jammers. I hope you like me. I hope you like the animals so far.